The stream of Xiaomi devices continue with this one. This is the Xiaomi Moaan Air. This is the latest 6-inch device by Xiaomi, 300 ppi, 1800 milliamps, and this thing is very light. Much like its name, it's suspiciously light. When I picked this up, granted it was after a couple e-notes, I was like, is there anything even in here? I'm not even exaggerating. It is quite lightweight, and if we weigh it, it's 320 grams, the entire thing wrapped up. And for some reference, if I take the Goody Reader Big Me Galley, it's actually 20 grams lighter than the device itself, so it is very interesting to see what could possibly be in here and how lightweight this e-reader actually is. If you guys don't know by now, Xiaomi makes e-readers like the Mi e-reader, but they also make the Moaan line of devices, which is just kind of like a child company, the whole kind of parent company, child company dynamic. So there is something in here. I knew there was, but still, this thing feels... Wow, that is very light. As the name suggests, let's throw it on the scale really quick. So if I put just the e-reader on there, we are sitting at 155 grams, and for comparison, here is the Books Poke 5, which comes in at 159 grams, and this is much smaller, so it looks like this is, as the name suggests, light as air. So, whoa, look at that, I didn't even turn it over yet. I'm not even joking. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, so it does look like it has this kind of lengthwise textured back, but it's not. It is an optical illusion. This is not textured at all. It is completely flat all the way through. There are no height differences or peaks and valleys whatsoever. You do have a USB-C at the bottom with a status indicator light and a power button. That is it. It doesn't look like it has audio or anything whatsoever, but let's look at the rest of the box, see what's inside. You have your information, and it looks like you should have a USB-C. There she is, right there. And that is everything. Let's do a first-time boot up just to show you what it all looks like and change it into English to make sure you guys know you can rest easy. So for sure, you guys don't have to worry about language barriers or anything like that. You do have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, refresh, everything up top, and you do have a drop down that shows you all your stuff. You have refresh frequency, contrast, color temperature system, and bright glow light settings. Unfortunately, it looks like there's no speed mode on this one, so I doubt if we're going to be able to play videos or anything like that, or at least they won't play well, but you do have the ability to sideload in apps, install from unknown sources, and all of that fun stuff. And this is 300 ppi, unlike the W8 we just did, which is only 200 ppi and nearly 2 times bigger than this. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Xiaomi Moaan Air, the latest 6-inch from the company. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.